What's up everyone, I'm James Bainey and we're back to announce the winner of our monthly giveaway. This time for the L&Co electronic sets, but not before we fill you in on some of the great products that are brand new from Dayton Audio. The Dayton Audio HTA100BT hybrid stereo tube amplifier successfully employs contemporary amp technology that faithfully pays homage to classic amp design in the past. Utilizing the efficiency of solid-state class AB amp topology and a vacuum tube preamp section, the HTA100BT authentically reproduces the warmth and character of tube amps with the flexibility the modern world expects. Now, if you want to learn more about that great amplifier, just click the link in the description. Two new subwoofers have arrived, one for pro audio fans and another for home theater enthusiasts. Both 21-inch drivers are named after phenomenal forces of destruction because they are powerful to no end. The Vortex is capable of moving an incredible amount of air with outstanding control and power, while the Kraken can bring you true high output and low frequency bliss. Learn about these drivers via the links in the description of this video. Those things have like a 5-inch voice coil. It's really cool, you gotta check it out. The MA455 is a unique amplifier built specifically to service multi-source and multi-room audio to users who have 4 or less destinations. As an example, we installed it at a local baseball complex to showcase 4 different audio sources going to each of the fields all at the same time. But more commonly, you can mix and match your source and outputs, such as playing one song on all channels, which could be all baseball fields or even just rooms in your home or restaurant. And the on-wall design gives it a unique look that is accessible yet hidden. Now, the links for more information are in the description because you'll definitely want to take a closer look at this one. All right, it's the moment of truth. We're now going to announce the winner of this past month's giveaway. The winner is David Dulick from Burgettstown, Pennsylvania. David, we're going to be in touch soon, but in case you forgot, we're going to be sending you the L&Co Snap Circuits 300 Experiments Kit, a Velleman Escape Robot Kit, and an L&Co 131 Electronics Playground Kit. Congratulations, you can enjoy these electronic kits whether you're with friends or you're home alone. Now, if you didn't win, don't worry, there's a new contest happening right now. Dayton Audio is graciously offering $500 worth of gear to the person whose name is pooled to be the winner. And you have till the end of August to enter, so do it before you forget, because once you're in, you're good to go. Now, if you win or want to congratulate your fellow audio buffs, just tune in for the announcement next month. And until then, good luck. I'll see you later.